All right, let's move on to our first subject, and that is the Lyft Switcheroo. I
Yeah.
think all drivers hate the Lyft Switcheroo because
Mhm.
you're driving down the street, you're making a left, and then all of a sudden you get that little did, and now you are turning right, and you're like, what the heck? And you can't because it's 6 lanes of traffic, and yeah, good luck. So now you
Yeah.
got to turn left,
Mm,
turn around, wait in the light
mm,
again, finally
mm,
go, and then guess what? You're going to get dinged again and then
mm,
go back to your original thing. So while you're sitting in that light waiting again, now you got to pull a Yui when you're in the middle lane.
mm.
It's just not, it's the pain in the ass. And I'm
Yeah.
glad that they have that little option that says turn them off.
Yeah.
But what about the drive, or what about the passengers? Is it good for
Yeah.
them? Is it
Yeah.
good
Look
for,
at that.
is it good for anybody? What's going on here? So Sergio, you put this in. What's
I
up?
This is not good for anyone. I mean, look, okay, so this is from the rider side. Your driver is arriving in 3 minutes. Look out for Mahmoud in a 2012 Toyota Prius. Great job, Mahmoud. That's the only car you should be driving. Right on its last legs. So that was 43 minutes ago. This rider ordered. So the rider goes 3 minutes. Super amazing. I'll be in the car. Then 1 minute later, switcheroo happens. So, and you know what will happen on this, right, Chris? So when the first switcheroo happens, the system is switching. But we as drivers, it will say, let's name this passenger Abigail.
Jerry.
Harry.
No,
Harry.
Jerry.
Okay. Harry. Harry
Hello,
gets
Jerry.
it says Harry canceled the trip. Harry didn't cancel shit. Harry was looking forward to being in a car with Mahmoud in 3 minutes. And
Mm-hmm.
then he goes, oh, your driver is arriving in 3 minutes now. Look for Nicholas in a 2022 Toyota RAV4 Prime. Oh, look at that. You got a huge upgrade on the car, right?
Mm-hmm.
2012 to 2022.
Prime time,
Okay.
baby.
So now
And it's
I'm
bigger.
Harry. I'm Harry. I'm going like, okay, cool. I got a better car. So I'm waiting for Nicholas now. And 3 minutes more goes by. And then now it says, whoops, hold on. So this is the original 3 minutes. We're already into the fourth minute, and I got switched 3 times as a rider. Your driver is arriving in 4 minutes now. Looking for Richard in a 2013 Fusion Hybrid, which now we went back down to the old, old car. I mean, look, I'm not saying this is old car, new car. So this happens all the time. So if you're a driver that has not gone into your preferences on Lyft, and you're still on auto accept and you're still on auto queue,
And
please
switcheroo.
stop the madness. Please go to manual accept. It's so easy. I showed it. I did a video. Go check the video out. How to set your preferences on Uber and Lyft. It's 3 clicks, people. Don't do this. Don't be part of this madness, because all these drivers, by the way, not only the rider now is frustrated, the driver is frustrated. Mahmoud was on his way. He goes, up. Harry canceled. Then Nicholas was on his way.
Oh
It
no.
says Harry canceled.
Oh
What happened?
no.
Anyway,
No, I disappeared.
you did disappear. What are you doing? Don't turn your
I
camera
didn't
on.
do anything. It disappeared
Oh,
on me.
you went dark?
Yeah.
All right, we have gremlins. Hey, Uber, stop messing with the live stream, man.
Damn it, Uber.
Okay, come on now.
I think
Stop
I think
it.
this one was Lyft. I think this one was Lyft because
This
Lyft
one was
is
Lyft? God
yeah, because we're
dang,
talking about
man.
Lyft.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
A couple of things here. Yes, this happens all the time. But here's the thing: this passenger right here, in 3 minutes. Okay, so let's just say it's 11 a.m. Okay, we're getting our car in 3 minutes, so it's 11:03. Then a minute goes by. Now they're gonna say, oh, 3 minutes. So now it's 11:01. another 3 minutes goes by, and you're gonna finally get your car at 11:04. Guess what? 11:04 is here. Oh, what's that? My driver's not here yet. I thought you said 3 minutes, and then all of a sudden it says 4 more minutes. So yeah, you're pissing off the driver. But here's a conspiracy side that I want to go down, and this is probably why they took me off already, because I was thinking it. What
Seriously,
if
you're not going to come
what
back
if-
on? You're in the dark.
well, right now I'm talking. I'm not going to worry about that
Okay.
right now. So,
Okay.
what happens if they have no driver, and they're like, "Oh, we're just going to kind of put all these cars and people out there and say, oh, these are all the ghost drivers." You know how
Wow.
there's ghost riders. These are all
Yeah.
the ghost drivers. So it makes it seem like, oh yeah, we have a car waiting for you, and it's on its way. But in reality, it's a ghost car. It's not real. It's just BS. And they're waiting for a ride that they can finally squeeze his ass into. And there you go.
Yeah, this is bad for everyone. And I don't think it's good for Lyft either, because you're frustrating the rider and you're frustrating the driver. I think it is, because today we're Lyft heavy. You know what I mean? Oh, there you are. We're Lyft
There we
heavy. So I think Lyft is messing with the live stream now. So Uber, first of all, stop watching. Don't watch. Watch the replay. Do something else. Go do something else. You guys have shit to do over there. So.
Hey, I'm here. It's okay.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. Anyway, so yeah, this is bad for everyone. And again, there's a video on the channel. It says Sergio's Diaries, orange. You can't miss it. How to set your preferences. Please do not do auto accept. Just don't do it.
Here's another thing when it comes to the switcheroo on the driver's side. What happens when you order, let's say for a friend or for somebody else, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh hey, this is your rider, or this is the driver that's coming, and it's Mamut, and he's got you're looking for a 2012 Toyota Prius, and then you leave, or you're outside, or whatever it might be, or they leave, and then all of a sudden you get all these notifications, and you're still waiting for that Toyota Prius to pull up, but yet it's never going to show up because they continue switching it to somebody else.
Yeah. I don't know. I think Uber actually, I have to give Uber credit. Uber never does that. Uber doesn't do the switcheroo. They never did from the first day. Lyft has been doing that from the first day on, and hopefully you'll fix it. The fix is on the driver. Just go to manual accept when it comes to queued rides. That's it.
Yeah.
You're
well,
good.
also turn off the
auto accept
switcheroo.
Yeah.
So
definitely turn off the switcher. Actually, that's one thing Lyft David Risher and Lyft did immediately almost.
Yeah.
And that was one of the top complaints.
Was that.
Yeah, so it's good. Yeah. All right, cool.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.